Welcome to this edition of Jake and Dad. I'm Dad. You have to say, and I'm Jake.
I'm Jake.
Louder.
I'm Jake.
This is where we do some educational programming for preschool, 4 and 5-year-olds. We're going to read books. We're going to make fun stuff, and we're going to learn a lot. Today, at the end of the video, we're going to learn how to make lemonade. But first, I want to show you a quick project. Come on with me. Okay, Jake and I want to do a project. For this project, you're going to need a square piece of paper. If you have a brown one, it's going to be even better. Today we're going to learn about origami. Who knows what origami is? You know what origami is, Jake?
No.
Okay, just say the word origami, can you?
No.
Origami is ancient Japanese paper folding art. The word origami comes from ori, which means folding, and kami in Japanese, which means paper. Today we're going to make an origami dog. It's really easy, and that's why I want you to get a brown piece of paper cut into a square. So go get one, put this on pause, and I'm going to show you how to make a dog. You might need a marker also. Go ahead. Okay, to make an origami dog, it's really easy. You're going to take our square piece of paper, right, Jake, you see that? And we're going to fold it. First fold we're going to do is a triangle. Jake, could you help me make it flat? Yeah, nice. Okay. Now we have a triangle, and we're going to do that one more time. Really easy. Good? Now we're going to undo this triangle, and we have a line in the middle from the fold that we just made. And now we're going to take the corner and fold it down like this to make, oh, you see that? It looks like a doggy ear. Jay, could you do that on the other side? And we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Right, perfect. Okay, what else do we need to do? We're going to take the bottom, because we don't want to have a pointy chin, like Jake's dad. We're going to fold that up to make it flat. And boom, there we have our dog. What do we need to do now, Jake? Eyes. Eyes and a nose. So let's make eyes. How do we make eyes? Should we put a triangle here?
No.
No. What shape should we put here?
Circle.
You guys want to do a circle? Let's do 2 circles, one for each eye. You want to help me, Jake? Why don't you make it? Go ahead. Good. And let's do one on the other side for the other eye. Right? And then we're going to color it in like this. Watch. You want to try? Go ahead. Good job. I like it. I like it, Jake. Let's make a nose. You know, for a nose, you can kind of do like a triangle, sort of. Color that in. And next time I'm going to use a brown piece of paper. We have our origami dog. I hope you like that. All right, let's go on to our next project. Everybody ready? Okay, it is time to read a book. Jake chose today's book. What book is it going to be today, Jake? Jake loves this one, guys. Day Out with Daddy. You guys ready for this? Jake, you ready? I need you to help me read it, Jake. Okay. Day Out with Daddy by Stephen Cook. Who's that? He's the author. He's the guy that did what? What did the author do? He wrote the book, and the illustrator writes the pictures, but that's right. Sometimes he writes the book and the pictures. Okay, let's read Day Out with Daddy. It's a short book. I think everyone's going to love it. I love this book. Jake loves it too. I like it. Why do I like it so much?
I don't know.
Because it's about
Jake.
and daddies, right? Okay. This is my daddy. The character drew a picture of his daddy. Is that your daddy? No, I don't think so. Okay. Mommy was going out of town, so today was going to be my day out with Daddy. Mommy's saying goodbye. I knew Daddy was going to be extra excited, so I got up early. Look at him jumping, and Daddy's getting all scared because he's blowing a trumpet, I think. Who's that? That's the dog? Hey, we have a friend for you. We just made a dog. Okay, let's go. First, I helped Daddy make his bed.
Jumping on it.
Who makes their bed first thing in the morning? Sometimes I wait till later. Do you make your own bed? No? Do you? Who makes your bed? Mom?
I don't know.
Dad? You don't know. Exactly. Then we had a good breakfast. What do you like to eat for breakfast? Donuts. That's not a breakfast food, Jake.
Cereal.
Haven't we had this discussion before? Yes, cereal's a much better choice. And I got dressed to go out. He doesn't look dressed. These are funny pictures. I like this book. Look at him. He's not dressed to go out, but he was so excited, I think. Daddy has lots of friends. Are those his friends?
Yeah.
Daddy's in a traffic jam, and I think everyone is yelling at him. And they all waved as we drove. This is a silly book. We went to the zoo and saw lots of wild animals. Have you ever been to the zoo?
No.
Have you ever been to the pet? Yes, we went to Prospect to the petting zoo. Remember? We gave them food. I'll show you pictures. But Daddy was the wildest. Look at Daddy jumping up and down. After that, we went to a park to play ball. See that? It could be like a baseball field where they sell ice cream and balloons and stuff like that. I don't know. But it wasn't much fun because only a few people played. I think it was a baseball field. And they were all watching. Did you ever go to a Yankee or Met game? We have to go to a baseball game, then you'll see a few people play. But it's much more fun to play too, I think. What do you think? Is it fun to watch someone play baseball or to play baseball yourself?
Watch.
You like watching? How about both? Can we say both? Can we say both? It's fun to watch and it's fun to play. Do you watch on TV also sometimes?
I don't know.
Jake, you're not helping me here. Okay, let's see what they did for dinner. For dinner, Daddy made us a special meal. What's Daddy wearing on his head? A chef's hat. And what's going on with the food, Jake? It doesn't look too good. Something is smoking. You're gonna have to talk louder. The toast is burning. Okay. My daddy must be very special because a package came with his name on it. I think he means Papa Pizza, but I'm not sure. Then Daddy let me stay up real late. Look what they were doing with snacks and TV. Oh boy, Daddy's yawning. He's tired. Your daddy doesn't get tired, does he?
No.
No? Sometimes I do. You know that. Mommy was so sad she missed all the fun. She said she was never going to leave us alone again. The end. Did you like that book? Did you like that book? All right, let's go on to our next project. I want to teach you guys something. Okay, before we get to our project, I forgot. I want to review today our numbers. Who wants to help me count? Jake, how far can we count today? Let's do 20. Can we do 20?
Yeah.
Let's do it really loud. I'm going to let you do it this time. Start with 1. Go. 1, 2,
3,
4.
5,
Look at the
6, 7, 8,
9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 35. I'm kidding. 17, 18, 19, 20. All right, Jake, one question before we get to do our project. Here's a hard one. You ready? Which is a bigger number? 13 or 16?
16.
16, good job. I hope you guys got that answer too. All right, let's go to the kitchen. I want to show you something. Come on. Okay, for today's project, I want to teach you today's big word of the day first. All right? Today's big word of the day is going to be dissolve. What does it mean to dissolve something? Can you guess? It's a hard word. It is a hard word, but I'm going to show you what I mean. Here's what I'm going to do. I have a cup of water here, and I have, who knows what this is? Jake, what's this? Salt. Look what happens, guys, when I take a spoon of salt and I put it into the water. Right? Jake, do you know what's going to happen when I put the salt into the water?
No.
Let's mix it up a little bit. It disappears. I think it disappeared. I think you're right. There's no salt in there. You know what? There's one way to make sure. Let's taste it. Should we taste it? Let me taste it.
Salty.
It is? You want to taste it or should I?
I
Okay, you can. What does it taste like? Ah, it's salty! The salt did not disappear. It looks like it disappeared, but it really got mixed into the water. So for that, we don't say disappear, we say dissolve. It dissolved into the water, which means it looks like it disappeared, but it really got mixed in really well. So what can we make by dissolving things? We can make salt water, right? You know what else we can make? Jake, you want to tell them? Lemonade! Hang in there. I'm going to just get a new glass. I want to show you what to do. Okay. Lemonade is really easy to make. You get your water and 2 other ingredients. Who knows what they are? Jake, come. We have sugar and lemon. Okay? That's all you need. What's going to happen when I put the sugar into the water? Remember the word? It doesn't disappear. What's today's hard word of the day? Dissolves. Can you say that? Dissolve? Let's dissolve some sugar into this water. Now, at the end of the video, I'm going to give your moms and dads a recipe for how to make lemonade with the right measurements. But let's just put a little sugar in here. Okay. By the way, if your water is warm, the sugar will dissolve easier. So let's stir that in. Oh, it's disappearing. Is it disappearing?
Yeah.
No, it's... You forgot again. Should I tell you? Dissolving. Some of you guys may have a tool like this at home. What does this do? Anybody know? This helps you get juice out of the lemon. You cut the lemon in half, and you stick this in there, and then the juice... Oh, you might get some pits also, so some people like to do it in a separate cup. And then you have your lemonade. Now for moms, while Jake tries this, let me tell you how to make lemonade. It's real easy. It's a 1/4 cup sugar, a 1/4 cup lemon juice, and 3 1/4 cups water. A 1/4 cup, 1/4 cup, and 3 1/4 cups. Why don't you taste that? Tell me if it's good. And you guys make some lemonade at home, and we'll see you on the next video. Jake, you gotta say goodbye. Okay, he's busy having some lemonade with sugar that was dissolved. All right, don't forget today's hard word of the day. And by the way, the other word you learned today was recipe. Now you have a recipe for lemonade. See you soon.